Welcome to my channel, Dish Update once again. In today's video tutorial, I will be showing you how you can register on Opera News. If you're a side hustler looking for a way to make money online, then this channel is for you. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop videos on how you can make money online, YouTube is going to send you a notification. Now let's dive into today's video. How to register on Opera News Hub. Most of you may be asking, what is this Opera News Hub? Opera News Hub is where you write articles for Opera Mini and get paid monthly. Now to the business of the day, how to sign up on Opera News Hub. Head over to your Chrome browser. Search for operanews.hub. operanews.hub. Click on the first link. You can see here, become a creator. Opera News empowers you to turn your creative passion into a thriving career. Click on login with Google. Choose any Gmail account. Continue. Now you'll be asked to input your photo. You may choose to and you may choose not to. Now select your country. Nigeria. Confirm. Next. Confirm. Pick a username. Let's go for Gabriel. Select a category. Username has already been taken. Let's add something. Now select the category of what you want to be writing about. I'll go for entertainment. Select a photo. That's the profile that will be showing. This photo will be your profile. You can go for, just select something, any random photo. Biography, see something like that, then click on next. Your face name. So I'll pause this video and repeat all this. I'll click on next. Link payment method. The payment method used here is normally MiniPay. With your MiniPay. I made a video on how you can create a MiniPay account. Check in the description box. Click on confirm. Submit. Your account has been created successfully. I hope this video was helpful to you. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop videos on how you can make money online, YouTube is gonna send you a notification. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.